Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 17th September and I will cover all the current affairs of the day with details. Don't skip the video, you will miss the details of the current affairs and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. Question 1. Who has been re-elected as Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha? A option Narendra Singh Tomar, B option Harshvardhan, C option Y.S. Reddy, D option Harishvan Narayana Singh. And right answer is D option Harishvan Narayana Singh has been re-elected as Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The Janata Dal United parliamentarian Harishvan Narayana Singh has been re-elected as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. The proposal to elect Harishvan as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha was moved by BJP President J.P. Nadda. Second question. Who is the author of the book My Life in Design? A option Gohar Khan, B option Kangana Ranaut, C option Gauri Khan, D option Neha Kakkar. And the right answer is C option Gauri Khan is the author of the book My Life in Design. The interior designer Gauri Khan has authored her first book titled My Life in Design will be published by Penguin Random House India in 2021. It is a coffee table book in which Gauri has written about her journey as a designer. Next question. Which company chooses Oracle as its technology partner for its US operation? A option PUBG, B option TikTok, C option Facebook, D option Google. Right answer is B option TikTok. TikTok has chosen Oracle to be its technology partner for its American operation. Microsoft was also in a bid to acquire TikTok in the United States, but the Chinese owner of the video sharing platform TikTok chose Oracle over Microsoft to be its technology partner for its American operation. Next question. Who was appointed as Executive Director at World Bank? A option David Malpass, B option Ramesh Chahar, C option Rajesh Khulla, D option Samir Kumar Khare. Right answer is C option Rajesh Khulla has been appointed as Executive Director at World Bank. Senior bureaucrat Rajesh Khulla has been appointed as Executive Director at World Bank. Rajesh Khulla is a 1988 batch IAS officer, is currently serving in his Qatar state, Haryana, and he is a Principal Secretary to Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. Let us know more about World Bank. World Bank was formed on July 1944 and the headquarters of World Bank is in Washington, D.C., USA. And the president of World Bank is David Malpass, and the managing director and chief executive officer is Angela Kant, and the chief economist officer is Carmen Reinhardt. Next question. Who inaugurated 7 petroleum projects in Bihar? A option Dharmendra Pradhan, B option Nitish Kumar, C option Nitin Gadkari, D option Narendra Modi. The right answer is D option Narendra Modi. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid foundation stone for 7 projects related to urban infrastructure in the state of Bihar through video conference, and the total cost of the project is rupees 541 crores. Let us know more about Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna, and Patna is also the largest city in Bihar. The governor of Bihar is Phagu Chauhan, and the chief minister is Nitish Kumar. Next question. Which countries has been members of U.S. Commission on Status of Women? A option Afghanistan, B option India, C option China, D option South Korea. And right answer is Both A and B option, Afghanistan and India, were the members of UN's Commission on Status of Women. India and Afghanistan were elected as members of the United Nations Commission on Status of Women, which is a body of the Economic and Social Council. The Commission on the Status of Women is an UN organ promoting gender equality and the empowerment of women. India will be a member of the UN's Commission on Status of Women for 4 years from 2021 to 2025. Let us know more about United Nations Commission on Status of Women. The Executive Director of United Nations Commission on Status of Women is Ponchelo Nampo Kunjoka, and the headquarters of United Nations Commission on Status of Women is in New York, United States, and the chairman of United Nations Commission on Status of Women is Her Marka Aryan, and the capital. And let us know more about Afghanistan. The capital and the largest city of Afghanistan is Kabul, and the president is Ashraf Ghani, and the currency is Afghani. Next question: who has honored with Euromoni's Lifetime Achievement Award? A option Rajesh Kullar, B option Samir Kumar Khare, C option Tekyo Konsi, D option Aditya Puri. The right answer is D option Aditya Puri. The award is conferred upon him to recognize his skill in building a world-class India brand and his contribution in creating a trustworthy brand. Let us know more about Aditya Puri. Aditya Puri served as the Chief Executive Officer of Citibank, Malaysia from 1992 to 1994, and Aditya Puri joined HDFC Bank as its Managing Director and serving since 1994, and he is an associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Let us know more about Euromoni's Awards of Excellence. These first of its kinds awards were established in 1992 to recognize banks and bankers. Next question: who has became the brand ambassador of Paytm First Games? A option Virat Kohli, B option Deepika Padukone, C option Sachin Tendulkar, D option Rohit Sharma. And the right answer is C option. Sachin Tendulkar has become the brand ambassador of Paytm First Games. Paytm First Games, a subsidiary of digital financial service platform Paytm, has roped in legendary cricketer Sachin Tendulkar of India as its brand ambassador. If you relate to other option, Virat Kohli has been the brand ambassador of Great Learning, which is an edtech company, and the Deepika Padukone, who is the brand ambassador of Coca-Cola, and Rohit Sharma is the brand ambassador of Oakley. Next question: for which state Prakriti and Saksham Scholarship Scheme has been announced? A option Sikkim, B option Jammu and Kashmir, C option Arunachal Pradesh, D option Manipur. The right answer is B option Jammu and Kashmir. All India Council for Technical Education has announced for the students of Jammu and Kashmir under the Prakriti and Saksham Scholarship Scheme. The amount has been raised from Rs 5,000 per annum to Rs 50,000 per annum from the current academic year 2020 to 2021 to provide financial assistance for advancement of girls and supporting specially able students for technical education. Prakriti and Saksham will provide scholarship to students studying within the Jammu and Kashmir state. Let us know more about Jammu and Kashmir. The capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Jammu in winter, and the summer capital is Srinagar of Jammu and Kashmir. Next question: which of the following state has banned all type of onions. A option Gujarat, B option Goa, C option Maharashtra, D option Andhra Pradesh. The right answer is C option Maharashtra has banned all types of onion. Let us know more about Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai and the governor of Maharashtra is Bhagat Singh Koshyari and the chief minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Next question, which bank appointed Tekyo Konisi as country director for India? A option SBI, B option ADB, C option PMG, D option STFC. And the right answer is B option ADB has appointed Tekyo Konisi as country director for India. The ADB means Asian Development Bank on Monday said it has appointed Tekyo Konisi as its new director or new country director for India. Konisi succeeds Kenji Oyokoyama, who has taken over as Director General of Asian Development Bank's South Asia Development. Let us know more about Asian Development Bank. It is formed on 19 December 1966 and the headquarters of Asian Development Bank is in Philippines and the president is Masatsugu Asakapaga. These are the top 12 current affairs of the 17 September and I hope you will enjoy my video and can be helpful for your upcoming exam. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like button, to share with your friends and to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.